Listen, you seen the title in the thumbnail. Who says you have to get out there in that heat and slave over a barbecue grill just to get some delicious barbecue chicken? I don't know, because I'm gonna show you guys how to make juicy, delicious barbecue chicken. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. Let's do a quick rundown of the ingredients. Right here we have our chicken. Now I'm using all 4 pieces of chicken: thighs, legs, wings, breasts. Right here in these 2 dishes we have some barbecue sauce. Now you can make your own barbecue sauce or whatever your favorite brand. That Sweet Baby Ray's is definitely one of them. We have honey. We use some salt, some lime juice, some smoked rub, some ground oregano. Right here I have some chicken seasoning here. Now guys, if you got some all-purpose seasoning, you could use that, or you could just use salt and pepper. It's totally up to you. Right here we have pepper, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, hot sauce, and some ground mustard. So these are the ingredients. Y'all, let's get to it. So we're gonna start off by juicing a half a lime. If you got a lemon, you can use a lemon also. I don't have any lemons here, so I'm gonna use this lime. We're gonna add our olive oil, our ground oregano. Let's add that salt, some ground mustard, use some black pepper, use our smoked rub. Now, if you don't have smoked rub, you can use some paprika. That's fine. Paprika and a little chili powder works. And we're gonna use that chicken seasoning here. And we're gonna go in with our hands, guys, get this baby mixed up. Make sure we get all that seasoning coated on all this chicken. Like I say, guys, adjust the seasoning as you see fit that works for you. All right, so we're good there. Now we're gonna let this rest for about 30 minutes to an hour. It's totally up to you. Let that chicken soak up and absorb all those flavors. Then we're gonna come right back, all right? All right, guys, so while we let our chicken sunbathe in that seasoning, we're gonna just start preparing our barbecue sauce. Now, you don't have to do this with your barbecue sauce. If you have barbecue sauce that you like it the way it is, that's fine. But with me, I'm gonna add the juice of half a lime here, a little bit more apple cider vinegar. I wanna spice that up a little bit with some hot sauce and sweeten it up a little bit, kind of tame it with some of that honey. And we're just gonna give that baby a mix. All right, guys, we're gonna sit this aside. And this is gonna be our barbecue sauce for basting and also once the chicken is done. All right, guys, so we've let this sit for about 30 minutes. We're gonna take 1/4 of a cup of barbecue sauce. Now this is an additional cup, 1/4 of a cup of barbecue sauce, not the barbecue sauce we just recently prepared. And we're just gonna pour this over our chicken just like this. And now we're just gonna get this baby mixed up. So we just wanna have, get some of that barbecue sauce flavor on these pieces before we stick them into our air fryer oven. All right, so let's go ahead and move over to our air fryer oven. That way we can get it preheated so we can get to cooking. It's already on. I'm gonna set the time. I'm gonna preheat it for about 5 minutes. And while it's preheating, I'm gonna remove this baking sheet so I can load our chicken on while it's preheating. We're just gonna go ahead and hit start and allow that baby to preheat, and then once it's finished, we're coming back with those chicken pieces. All right, guys, as you can see on the display, it's finished. It says end. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit our function button, and I'm gonna change the time for about 30 minutes. We have it on 380 degrees. We're gonna put our tray of our chicken here on the bottom rack. And we're just going to close that up and let's get that baby to cooking. Now, midway through the cooking process, we are going to flip them over and brush it down with some of that barbecue sauce, all right? Let's get started. All right, guys, so we're about 15 minutes in. We're gonna hit that pause button right here. Open up our door, pull our chicken out, man. Take a look at what we have. Oh man, whew. We getting there. Before we flip them over, all we're gonna do is take some barbecue sauce. Gonna brush them down with that barbecue sauce like that. All right, we're gonna push this back in, let it finish cooking for the remaining 15 minutes, or until the internal temperature is 165 degrees. Let's get it going. I'm gonna adjust my temperature to 350 and our time down to 15 minutes. After the first 5 to 7 minutes, we're gonna pull it out and we're gonna baste them again with some of that barbecue sauce, all right? And then we're gonna stick it back in, let it finish cooking. All right, guys, so we're gonna pause our heat real quick and we're gonna get this baby basted with a little bit more of that barbecue sauce. All right, let's go ahead and stick it back in here for the final few minutes that it has left. All right, guys, so we are there. Let's open our air fryer oven. We're gonna pull it out. Man, take a look at that right there. Let's go ahead and get it on the cut board. That way we can take a better look at it, and then we're gonna come right back, all right? There you have it, guys. Air fry barbecue chicken. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. So let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can test it out. All right, guys, it's quality control time. I got my plate of barbecue chicken here. I'm just gonna take this wing over here. I'm gonna sit that baby right there. And I'm gonna bring that wing to you, man. Ooh, look at that wing now. Ooh, man, look at that wing. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Oh, man. The flavor hits you as it's going down. You definitely need to try barbecue chicken in the air fry. So, until then, guys, I'm your cook, Spinelli, all wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and we are out. I said we are out. Who is we? It's just me, and I'm out. Peace.